If you don't like plain baked beans, like just plain, let me show you something. I think you might want to try this. To my pot, I'm going to add oil, vegetable oil, any oil you like, olive oil, coconut oil, whatever works for you. I already chopped onions and some pepper. I like to add crushed ginger and garlic and some spices. Depends on my mood. Whatever spice I feel like adding, I add it. My oil is hot. So I'm just going to let this fry till it releases some aroma. So this has been frying for about. I'm going to add the baked beans. Cover it and let it boil. It's good. It's good. Even if you like baked beans, you should try this too. Just give it a try. It's really good. Some toasted bread, fried eggs.